Alright.
On the first video, I noticed I talked too softly. I didn't realize that before, so I'll try to talk a little bit louder. Some of the changes I made. We got a thermometer that's a little easier to read, larger dial, and it has a marker for 190-degree temperature mark. Now, I put this cover on just to keep the bugs and debris away. And feeding the water, I put a little valve over here. Make it a lot easier to compensate. I don't want the water flowing too fast or too slow. Is your overflow drain? We shouldn't have more than maybe 5 gallons of runoff in 15 minutes. Maybe we'll run the water even slower than that, 20 minutes. This bucket should take about a good 15 to 20 minutes to fill up. Now what we did, setting up, we have olive oil. We took the seal and just dabbed a little film of olive oil all the way around the seal. Make better contact. Seal back in. Pressure cooker. Okay. Now, the thermometer, we have an O-ring on the top part of the stem. We put a little film of olive oil on the stem and the O-ring too. Help keep a better seal so you don't lose your gas, your vapors. Okay, then we took a box of wine, and we filled up the whole thing into the pressure cooker. Now I already ran this setup, so this is the remains of the wine. Now it's non-alcohol wine. We put the wine in there, and then we turn the water on. Just barely crack it open. But just a little more than trickle. A little more than trickling through is all we want. And then we plug the pressure cooker in. Turn the power on. We crank this up. Temperature control, thermostat. And a little bottle here to catch the alcohol as it starts to drip. When the temperature gets theoretically 178, the ethanol is supposed to boil off. In practical, true, real time, it went to 190 degrees before we obtained a good precipitation of the ethanol. So we keep it at 190. That's a little error I made on my first part, I guess. And eventually it'll stop dripping and you'll see the temperature slowly